Hello everyone, how you guys doing today? Thanks for joining me again for another video. I'm Josephine, but I'm known as JojoFine01, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial. Yeah. Today's tutorial I'm going to be reviewing the Mercier Tinted Moisturiser Oil-Free BB Cream, CC Cream. They don't call that anymore, they call them Tinted Moisturiser now. Yeah. And yeah, and it looks like this. And this is a pre-roll package. So this is supposed to give you a weightless finish, like a no makeup look day. Yeah, and it comes in 20 shades and is available at John Lewis right now, so it'll be worldwide in July. So I'm going to be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge using this product, using the Mercier Tinted Moisturiser oil-free oil-free product. I don't want to call it foundation because I'm always used to calling it foundation. So I'm going to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. I have my clock, like my timer here, sent by Mercier. The challenge does to do a 5-minute makeup challenge with this. So I'm just going to do this while I'm reviewing the product. Let's see how it goes. Yes, I don't know, I have never done, I don't remember doing 5-minute makeup challenge before. This is going to be interesting, so let's see if I can do my makeup in 5 minutes. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So let's start this one. Set your time, 5 minutes. We start. So first thing first, I'm going to apply a primer. This is the Mercier primer. Everything will be at the description, but I don't know if I can talk. Canvas primer by Mercier. You take the tinted moisturizer. Apply this quickly. I don't know if this is going to work. It's blending really well. This is really a no makeup finish. Oh my god, 3 minutes. I'm still applying foundation. Tinted moisturizer right now in 3 minutes. Okay, this is giving me a flawless base. So 2 minutes, 48 seconds. So I'm just going to apply highlight on my face. Oh dear. The Mercier highlighter, the stick one. It's 2 minutes 30 seconds. My hand can't move enough. I think I need more coverage. I need my hair. Okay, 1 minute. Guys, this is not going to work. I can't finish my makeup in that time. Oh, I want to cry. Powder. Mercier powder. Let's see. Oh no, wait for me time. Wait for me. Okay. I use Tilbury bronzer. Tilbury bronzer. Let's take that. Oh no. Let's not forget it. Let's just talk about the brows. So I'm focusing on the base. So I can't finish my full face. So I'll do my eye look in another clip. Highlighter. In fact, I'm done. Oh dear, that is it. In 5 minutes, this is what I can come up with in 5 minutes of doing my makeup. But I tried, right? I did the base, so, and it looks good. It looks good, yeah. But talking about the tinted moisturizer, this coverage is nice for a tinted moisturizer. I would say it's like giving me a no makeup vibe right now. So I like it. I'm not mad at it. I like it. So 5 minute makeup challenge did not work for me, so I'm going to focus on blending my skin out because I want to look cute on my picture. I can see my blemishes. I'm fine with that. I'm okay with that. I'm going to go finish my face off camera and I'm going to come back and talk more about the product and how yours dies on my skin. Yeah, talk more on the shade. I'll talk more on the shades and yeah. My skin looks good. Not bad. I like it. Okay guys, I'm back. Don't ask about this eye look. Just go watch the video. I'll link it up here. Okay? I use tissue paper to blend this makeup. If you think I have receipts, these are my receipts. I use this eye look. Yeah, I got the tip from Oyima. So this is how my face is looking. Like my 5 minutes base. Don't forget to check out the eye look like I said and all my previous video, and if you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. The Mercier Tinted Moisturizer looks really good on the skin. It's not even looking like I'm wearing tinted moisturizer. It's looking like I'm wearing a lightweight foundation. Yeah, I can still see my blemishes, but it's fine. It's like a no makeup skin day, but it's okay. It goes with the look. I'm good. I am okay. Thank you, Mercier, for sending this product. It's really nice. It's like a day-to-day makeup and it matched me really well. I'll do my shade at the description bar. I was thinking it was not going to fit, but it also dies into the skin, so be aware of that. So it also dies into the skin, so yeah, and they have 20 shades. Let me know your thoughts if you have this product, if you've tried this product, if you're going to buy this product. Let me know what you think. This product retail for, it's an high-end brand, ready for it, £36. Let me know if this is worth £36 to you at the comment section. Let's talk about it. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have any question about this look, don't forget to ask me at the comment section. I thought I can come back and give you guys my thoughts later in the day. I don't know, but if I can, I will put the link at the end of the video. Okay, but if I can't, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting. Just be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, take care of yourself. Okay, bye. See you guys in my next one. Guys, what?